Well, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome you all my viewers to the channel Gunsmoke 786. Today we'll have a review of one of the finest guns in the specific environment of subcontinent. That is, so far as the price of the gun is concerned, it is so cheap, and so far as the liability and reliability, toughness and roughness of the gun is concerned, it is one of the finest guns we have right in our subcontinent. This is none other than Pacol 155. Basically, this is a 4+1 shotgun. 5 cartridges are used, 4 in the magazine and 1 in the chamber. Lightweight, good finish, mounting of the gun is quite good, sight is very well. It is a gas operated gun, operated by a piston of a gas, and this gas operation or operated mechanism has reduced the weight of the gun too much. One more thing which is quite important to share with you all, that the recoil pad is very good. One can have easy grip, and shock absorber is fine to soothe the shooter. Safety is important. It is quite larger in comparison to 153. In 155 the pin is quite large. So viewers, let's talk about the details of the gun and the micro concepts and micro issues of the gun. Starting from the pad, this is quite large in size, and it's a good shock absorber pad. In hand you can feel good about it, and let's move on further. This is a fine I would say Turkish walnut used here as a butt. And then again I'll talk about this safety pin. This is quite important for every hunter, every shooter to know and to handle about it. In the model 153, the size was actually quite small, but now here it is in a good size and quite easy to handle from both the sides. Fine. The distance of the trigger is very low, so easy to fire. The pin is good, fine. This is somehow a good shaped, arc shaped cover. Then we'll have a new thing in 155 which was not present in 153. This is here, you can use this mechanism, cut short mechanism, to stop the uploading of the cartridges in the chamber, and you can use accordingly to your own will and wish. Fine. So let's talk about the barrel. Here it is mentioned that this is MP155 12x76 18-4 chamber, 90 MPa MOB 14. Look at the finish of the barrel. This is all the way good. Here we have ghost sight, fine, good in size, good contact and impact. Let's move on to see the detailed description of the machine. Here you can see easy to handle. Here the number is placed, you can see the gun number. This way, quite easy in movement, smooth. Well, here this is a mechanism where you can upload the cartridge right at the back of the cartridge in the chamber, and once you start firing, it has got automatic upgradation. Let's open it up. Let's see the mechanism, that how a light load and heavy load is being used. Here, if my friend helps me out, I would love to show it. Here it is quite capable to read that heavy loads are being used in this position. The arrow should be like this, and light loads, when you need to move from light to heavy loads, you have to shift it from this way up to that way. Recoiling is good. Now I'll just take off the barrel by quitting the pin. Here you can see it has got disassembled. This is the machine, the carrier, and the gas operation system. This is all about the gun. Here we can see there's a spring which moves the cartridge and the complete mechanism. This is an important issue. This is an important thing to be noticed. Under the spring, we have two sort of supports. One is a plastic support. First one is the iron support. The second one is the plastic support, which can make adjustable this machine to move further. One important thing more, that we can open it up too. There's a spring which moves the cartridges forward for your operations. If we move it, the cork and the spring will be out there, and you can clean that. You can have wash it, or you can make it again well balanced. So this was all about the gun, and easily you can assemble it. If you would say this one, then yes, approximately I have fixed it. The machine is been fixed. Here I'll fix the pin. The gun is ready to fire. I hope you like this gun as well as this channel. Just to show your likeness, subscribe our channel and let us serve you in a better way.